Never allow a company to install a dehumidifier like this. It takes 5 minutes to wrap these up. There's absolutely no reason why a company should never do that. And make sure that they install a dedicated circuit breaker for your unit, not a extension cord with a 3-way. And by the way, this company here started out of Tennessee, and they have multiple locations throughout the Southeast. And this is what they do. If you're okay with this quality, then go ahead and call them. But this is awful.